Morning, my name is Videv. I am currently pursuing a BT degree from Functional School of Technology in computer science, specialization in the artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I am currently in my second semester. And in my first semester, I have learned some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and we are currently learning React JS and solving some DSA problems. So today I'm going to explain uh, what I have contributed in our Techispot project. So basically, I have contributed a sign-in part. So in this video, I'm going to explain what and how I contributed it. So let me share my screen first. So this is the Techispot. This is the Techispot, and this is the sign-in part. So if you click on the sign-in, it will go to the sign-in page, and if we have account, then we can sign in. But because I am signing for the first time, I don't have account. So we click on the sign up. When we click on the sign up, it asks us for the username, date of birth. So I'm going to put anything like this, and phone number. So I'm going to put any phone number. And if you click on next, it takes to the next page, and then it asks for email ID. So I'm going to put the email ID. Yes, and a password. So password should be strong. If it's not strong, then it will say it please match the format requested, and must contain at least one number, one uppercase and one lowercase, and at least 8 or more characters. So we have to put it on that format. So let's write the wrong password. If we write the wrong password, is so the alert that password and confirm password should be same. And if we enter the same password, it redirects us to the main page of our Techispot. And now that we have account, when we click on the sign in and enter the email address like password, if we enter the wrong password, then so that username or password is incorrect. And if we enter the right password, it redirects us to the home page. So how I made this, I'm going to explain it. So this is my code, and here this is the authentication folder. In this there is two folders, sign in and sign up. So first I'm going to explain the sign up part. So in the sign up folder, there is a sign up component, and in the sign up component, first what I did, I created a function and exported it at default, and the name of the function is sign up. After that, what I did, I have written the if or else I'm going to explain it later. First, let's see here. I have created a div, and inside the div, I have created a form. This input form, this form, and inside the form, I have created three inputs. The first one is for username, and the second one is for date of birth. So the type of the input is date, and the third one is for text. So the type is text. Phone number, and here I have created another form inside the div, and another three inputs for email, password, and confirm password. So here I have put the type as email for the email input, and for the password I have entered the type as password. and for the confirm password as well. So here I have set the pattern as this. So it shows alert until we follow this pattern. And for the logic part here, uh, if we change anything on this input, this on change will run, and this handle change function will run. And here I have created a use state, data and set data, and inside this use state I have created an object. And for the keys, I have created 6 keys: username, date of birth, phone number, email ID, and confirm password. And all of the value of the keys are empty strings right now. And when we change anything on the input, this handle change function will run. And first, here is the event, and it will prevent the page from refreshing itself. Uh, this e prevent default, it will prevent the page from refreshing itself. After that, we will put the data inside their key. Like it that targeted value will give the value of the written text inside the input, and it will be assigned on their IDs, which is this. And the ID here is also the same as the keys. So it will automatically set inside their keys. And after that, if we click on the next, here I have created a use state and put the default value as false. And we click on the next. Here, yes, it first what it checks. It checks that user already exists or not. If we check on the local storage and get the ID of username and check if the data.username is also the same, then it will show the alert as user already have an account. Like if we go here and click on sign up and enter the same username like this, it says user already have an account because it is fetching the data from the local storage, and that I am going to explain later how I put it in the local storage. So, and if the username from the local storage and the data.username is not same, then what it does, it first empty the boxes of inputs of username, data of birth, and phone number. After that, it sets the set next as true. So this part will start running. First, it is false. So this is what we are able to see, and after that, this will be what we will be seeing. So after that, if we put all the values and click on the submit button, which is here, mm, which is here. If we click on this submit button, sign up button, then this form is this on submit will trigger and the handle submit function will run. So first, this event and e-prevent default will prevent the page from refreshing itself, so data should not lost. And it checks if password and confirm password is same. And if it is not same, then it will show this alert: password and confirm password should be same. And if it's same, then what it does, it sets all the data in the local storage by using local storage or set element. And here we have to put a key, unique key. I can put any key. So for the username, I have set the key as username and put the username here by separating this comma. and put all the data like that. After that, I have used save data, save user as data. So save user is atom, which we don't need in this case because it is it is not in the part of authentication system. So after that, what it does here, I have imported the use navigate from React Router DOM, and here I have created a variable navigate, and use the use navigate, and here what we are going to navigate on the home screen, because in the app.js I have set the path as this slash for the home. That's why it automatically redirects us to the home page when we click on the submit button. After that, I'm going to explain the signing component. So for the signing part, first we have created a form. Inside the form, I have created two inputs. First is for the email and the second is for the password. And if the email and the password is matched as the local storage, first what it does, it if you change anything on this input, like in this input, this handle change will trigger, and this handle change function will run. And just like the sign up part, I have created here use state, and in the use state I have created an object of email and password, or like email as key and password as also key, and set the value as their empty strings. And if you change anything on this handle change function will run, and first it prevents the page from refreshing itself. After that, it sets the value according to their key, which is the same as their IDs. So, and after that, if you click on the submit, this handle login will function will run, and in this handle login, first it will prevent the page from refreshing itself by using prevent default. After that, it checks if locals.get email get item email is equal to data.email, like this email, and locals.get item pass is for the password. Here I have set it as pass for the password is equal to data.pass. So if both of the condition will be true, then like the sign up part, it navigates us to the home page. So, and if any of them is false, then it shows the alert as username or password is incorrect. So this is for my part in this Techispot project. Thank you. This is all for this video.